Quite an interesting question. This one is question number 10. So first of all, let's write all the data. So let's understand. So there are 5 children in the range of 23 to 32. Then there are 8 in the range of 44 to 50. 12 children are in the range of 53 to 60. Then 6 are in the range of 82 to 88. And finally 13 are in the range of 101 up till 110. How many? 13 children. Okay. So the total number of children given is 19, 31 and 13, 44. So total 44 children are there. Now further there is another condition that is given, and after that we'll have to minimize the average number of apples received by each child. Now since I have to minimize the average, I'll have to minimize the sum. That means I'll have to minimize the number of apples that every children is getting. So now in each group, like if I look at the first group, there are 5 children who are getting the apples from 23 to 32. Okay, so I'll assume the minimum number of apples in every range. So I'll assume that all these 5 children must be getting 23 apples. Similarly, all the 8 children in the second group will be getting 44 apples and so on. Further, I'll have to take care of one condition, that the number of children who get 56 or more, 56 or more, that means greater than equal to 56, is at least 2 more than the number of students who get 55 or less than equal to 55. Okay, so 56 or more, this is at least 2 more than the number of students who get 55 or less. So if 55 or less the number of children is x, then 56 or more the number of children will be x plus 2. Now since I have to minimize the number of apples, minimize the average, then I'll say that more number of children will be getting less number of apples, right? So what I'll do is I'll try to maximize the value of x, okay, and I'll try to minimize the value of x plus 2. Now if I'll be maximizing the value of x, then it will in return maximize the value of x plus 2 only. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put more number of children in this range, which is less than equal to 55. Okay, and hence I'll get lesser number of children in this range. Okay, because the sum is constant, right? Now since the gap between them is of 2, so the value of x can be taken as 21, and x plus 2 will become 23. So 21 children will be less than equal to 55 and 23 children will be greater than equal to 52, right? Now already these 5 plus 8, 13 children are less than or equal to 55. 13 children are already there. So that means the children in the range of 53 to 55, the children in the range of 53 to 55, there will be another 8, okay, and children in the range of 56 to 60 will be 12 minus 8, that is 4. So this 12 children will be divided in two different ranges. 8 children will be getting 53 to 55 apples, and 4 children will be getting 56 to 60 apples. Okay, that's it. Now I can denote the number of apples, the minimum number of apples in every range to each of these children, right? So in the first range, 5 children, each of them will get 23 apples. I'm minimizing the number of apples. Plus, in the second range, 8 children, each of them will be getting 44 apples. The third range is divided into two different ranges. So, the first part, 8 children will be getting 53 apples. Then, 4 children will be getting 56 apples. Then, next range is this one, 6 children will get 82 apples each. And finally 13 children will get 101 apple each. Now this is the total number of apples when divided by total number of children. Will be minimizing the average number of apples received by each child. Okay, so now rest is calculations. So you can do the calculations, and after doing the calculation you will get the answer as 66 point something. So 66.36 to be precise, which matches with option B, and that is the answer. So the final calculation is not important. How have I reached to this expression is a more important thing in this question. All right. So the correct answer here should be option B, that is 66.36.